So as you probably heard, Storylane is the first demo platform to launch an AI demo agent that lives on your website to answer any question, demo any feature, and book more inbound meetings for your sales team automatically. But you're likely wondering, how does RepX compare to traditional chatbots and other website agents in the market today? That's what I'm here to show in today's video by having a demo interaction with our version of RepX on the Storylane website called Lily. So let's go here. I'm going to scroll down on this page and say, talk to RepX. RepX is infinitely customizable to demo any platform, have any avatar, have any name. And our version, when I'm demoing about Storylane, is called Lily.
Super excited to chat with you. Let's skip the boring stuff and focus on what actually matters to you. What brought you here today?
Hey Lily, I'm trying to understand, how are sales teams using Storylane in interactive demos?
Sales teams use Storylane to create customized interactive demos, which they can share with prospects to help them self-educate. This also provides real-time analytics on engagement, helping to tailor sales strategies.
Okay, that makes sense, but specifically, what analytics are generated when somebody clicks into a Storylane demo?
When someone engages with a Storylane demo, we provide detailed analytics on viewer engagement, including total time spent, completion percentage, and interactions with different chapters. Here's a demo I just pulled up that walks you through these comprehensive analytics and insights.
Okay, is there integration with Salesforce?
Yes, Storylane integrates with Salesforce, allowing you to track demo engagement and streamline sharing directly from Salesforce. I've also pulled up a demo that walks you through how the Storylane app works within Salesforce.
Okay, this all looks good. Can I talk to somebody about opening up a trial of Storylane?
You can definitely try Storylane. We offer a free plan to get started right away. And for more advanced features or enterprise needs, you can click the Talk to a Human button to connect with a specialist who can guide you through our growth, premium, or enterprise plans.
All right, so I'm going to mute my microphone. I'm going to mute Lily there so she's not interpreting what we're saying as the conversation, but a quick breakdown of the user experience when talking to RepX. So there is a video avatar. There's a verbal conversation happening. You also have a written conversation on the left-hand side. So whether you want to be asking the questions directly through the microphone or typing them down here in the bottom left, that's how you're interacting with RepX. So you're seeing verbal response, written response, but it's also providing the right resource and visual aid at the right time. So I asked about sales use cases. She pulled up this infographic for the sales use case. I asked about analytics module. She pulls up an interactive demo built on Storylane so I can click through the analytics piece. And then finally, I ask about Salesforce. And then also there's the option for call to action. So whether it's start a free trial, talk to sales, Lily can also prompt you with a CTA. So as you've seen, RepX is all about providing your buyers with the exact information, answers, and demo collateral they need to self-educate and evaluate your solution and make a decision very quickly from the website. Our first customers are going live with their version of RepX, but if you're interested in testing RepX or building a sandbox version of RepX that's trained on your platform, you can definitely do that by reaching out to me or going to the Storylane website and requesting a pilot. Hope to see you soon.
Storylane powers the lane you gain. AI's got your back. That's Storylane. Storylane powers the lane you gain.